How long is too long to wait for him to respond to an agreement that you proposed? It's a good question and one that I get all the time. I'm happy to answer it for you. My name is Katie Carter. I'm a Virginia-based family law attorney, and for the last 14 years, I've represented women exclusively in divorce, custody, and child support cases. And most of my cases start as agreements. People don't want to go to court, and that's really the only way that these things can resolve. Whether we're talking about divorce or custody, we either reach an agreement or we go to court and let the judge decide how everything's going to be handled. So the truth of the matter is that when it comes to an agreement, there's not a specific timeline. I sometimes will put deadlines in the letters that I send to opposing parties, especially if my client tells me that he's unlikely to take it seriously otherwise, and we need to kind of give the impression that we're playing hardball. But we can wait as little or as much time as the client wants. The alternative, though, is litigation, which means filing something with the court, which means losing control over how long the case takes and how much it costs. So just the reality of the situation is that most people are willing to wait for a little bit of time before they move on to the next step. My only caveat there, though, would be don't let him talk to you without going through the attorney, without hiring an attorney himself. Continue to encourage you to make changes over and over and over again while giving you the impression that you're nearly there. That's a tactic that a lot of unscrupulous husbands and children's fathers will use just to keep dwindling your resources down to nothing. So don't get to that point, but know when to say when too.